So here at Francis Street we did a big basement dig out and garage, bedroom, bathroom and a stairwell connecting upstairs and downstairs. So Tania, what was the vision you originally had for your place here?
Well, we loved this area and we were growing as a family, so we just wanted more space. That was the main thing that we were after, and so we thought we'll get a garage that's really nice so we can use it like a living room, and get another bedroom and another bathroom.
Yep.
And then I was after my own office as well.
So what were some design decisions that we kind of chatted over that you were really looking for that have worked out really well?
Oh, I think that's definitely the cherrywood. That is the separation when you go down the stairs in the office.
Yep.
That was like a real mission, but it's come out so well. We absolutely love it.
Yep.
And people always mention it when they visit. They go, wow, this looks amazing. So yeah, we're quite proud of that.
Yeah, they're all linked at the top and they're the bars through them.
Oh, but
and
even
them
before that, even just getting that partition, I thought we were going to have to go right up to the roof.
Oh, that's right.
And it was going to make the office space seem really small, because I was worried about having my space, and then we found out it didn't have to go right up to the top, and that made it much more spacious.
Yeah.
It looks so fabulous, we didn't really want to put anything on it. We talked about doing that with wood, and we talked about doing it in all these different ways, and then we ended up getting that nice sleek metal, and actually added to it, because it was another detail that just cut through it.
But yeah, I think that just having that freestanding balustrades, not having any bars through them or anything, and working with the engineer and kind of coming up with a solution to what you wanted was probably the best outcome. Now that it was wrapped up and moved on and you're living here for a while, what's your favourite feature?
My husband and I were talking about last night is how much of a lovely entrance we've got now. We've got this lovely wide stairs and that leads you in, and I really like the way that the balustrades have turned out, and it was a lot of work to get that right. Woodsmith just had that attention to detail that is what we were really looking for. Another really favourite feature, got this frangipani tree, and I thought I could sit underneath my frangipani tree. So there's a little bit of retaining wall that I thought somehow or other you could put a seat on top, and Woodsmith just designed this amazing chair, and we sit on it every Sunday morning and read the paper and love it. And it's a real feature. It gets used a lot at night too. You can light the fire and sit around it. It's a really big part of the garden now, so that was amazing.
Nice, good to hear.